What's up everyone? So this is the GHome Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, model KD10SE2. It gives you quite a few ways to get in, including fingerprint access, PIN codes, app control, voice commands, and of course, the traditional key as a backup. The company rates the battery life at up to 10 months, which is definitely impressive on paper. The feature list looks great, but as always, the real question is how it actually performs in everyday use. So, let's get into it. Now, you must have already seen the unboxing because we covered that in our previous video, where we went through everything that comes in the box in detail. So this time, we're jumping straight into the installation. Well, it basically fits a standard door cutout, so we didn't need to drill anything extra. First, we attached the deadbolt with the screws, then mounted the front panel. The metal piece from the key fob slots right into place, and once that's tightened down, the front side is basically done. Moving to the back, we connected the cable to the rear panel first, lined everything up properly, and secured it with the screws. Installation was actually pretty straightforward, and once everything was tightened, the whole unit felt nice and solid. Manual lock and unlock worked perfectly right away. We powered it up with the removable battery, and the lock automatically cycled the deadbolt on its own. After snapping the back cover into place, everything was ready to go. Before getting into all the smart features, we tested the basics first. You can manually lock and unlock using the fob, or simply use the built-in button as well. Next, this part changes how we use the lock every single day. For us, fingerprint access became the default almost immediately. You place your finger on the scanner, and within about a second, the door unlocks. It's quick, simple, and you really stop thinking about keys after a while. The passcode option is solid too. The keypad lights up nicely, so entering codes at night isn't a problem at all. We also set up a temporary passcode through the app for a delivery, and honestly, that's probably one of the most practical features here. Instead of giving out your main code, you can just create a temporary one for someone who only needs access for a few minutes. That said, we do have one small complaint. The keypad spacing feels a little tight.
Verification failed. Please try again.
And we definitely hit the wrong number a few times before getting used to it. And then there's the physical key, which is basically your ultimate backup. If your phone dies, your Wi-Fi goes down, or something unexpected happens, you're still getting inside. One thing we actually like here is that this lock connects directly to your home Wi-Fi. A lot of smart locks still need an additional bridge or hub for remote access, but this one skips all of that extra hardware. Once everything is connected through the GHome app, you can immediately see both the battery status and the lock status, so you know exactly what's going on without even touching the door. Inside the settings menu, you've got things like power saving mode, voice passcode options, and auto lock delay settings, all adjustable from one place. There's also a temporary passcode section where you can generate guess codes. You can either let the app create one automatically or make your own custom code depending on what works best. The history tab is probably the standout feature here. It records when someone entered, who entered, and which method they used, whether that's fingerprint, passcode, or the app itself. If you've got multiple family members or people coming and going throughout the day, that's actually really useful information to have. You can also lock and unlock the door remotely and even create schedules so it locks or unlocks automatically at specific times. Overall, the app experience is refreshingly simple. The lock runs on a removable 10,000 mAh battery pack that's rated for up to 10 months of use, depending on how often you're using it. That's a pretty big step up compared to many entry-level smart locks, and honestly, the removable design is one of the better ideas here. You don't have to uninstall the lock, leave your door open, or run charging cables across the hallway. You simply remove the battery, charge it separately through USB-C, and pop it back in when it's ready. The system also gives you dual low battery warnings. You'll get notifications directly on the lock itself, as well as through the app, so there's plenty of time to recharge before you run into any problems. When it comes to security, you've got anti-pry protection, along with a temporary lockout feature if somebody keeps entering incorrect codes. That's exactly the kind of safeguard you'd expect from a smart lock like this. The anti-peep code feature is probably our favorite. Basically, you can enter random numbers before or after your actual passcode, and the lock will still recognize the correct sequence. So if somebody is watching you type, they really have no idea which digits actually matter. At first, we honestly thought the auto lock function would be more of a gimmick than anything useful. But after using it for a few days, we completely stopped worrying about whether we'd remember to lock the door behind us. Now, after spending some real time with it, here's how we see it. If you're looking for a smart lock that doesn't require an extra hub, gives you remote access right out of the box, and uses a practical rechargeable battery instead of disposable ones, then this GHome lock is definitely worth considering. It's really built around making everyday access simple, reliable, and convenient, without adding unnecessary complexity. And after living with it for a while, that approach actually holds up pretty well. That's it for today. Let us know what you think about this smart lock in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful. Be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next one.